Today I'm going to show you what happens when you damage a panel in our ALUMA1 system and how easy it can be to repair. So as you can see, we've given this panel quite a beating. The integrity of the panel holds true because inside of each one of the panels is actually a honeycomb aluminum as well, which reinforces the strength of each panel. So even though we've hit this quite hard with our sledgehammer, you can see that we still haven't broken the integrity of our wall system just yet. And now we'll go into how easy it is to replace this panel now that it is damaged. So, as you can see, we've got our new panel in place, nice and clean and reinstalled. This took about 3 minutes to do for one person. So that's how easy it is to replace damaged panels and components in an ALUMA1 system.